Hello everyone, my name is Henrique Couto. I am a master's degree student in computer science, and today I'm going to present my paper on speech recognition mechanism for enabling interactions between end users and healthcare applications. My presentation is organized as follows. I will go through a brief introduction to the health information system and human-computer interaction. We will then see some basic concepts for speech recognition, move on to the computational solution that uses speech recognition to assist healthcare professionals in recording patient clinical care. The results we obtained, and we will wrap up with the conclusion. The software development lifecycle involves activities ranging from understanding the problem domain to validating the application developed with end users, with human-computer interaction being an important phase in this cycle, offering a simple way for end users to perform data manipulation. In the healthcare domain, users use software solutions to store electronic health record data collected from patient care. This is because healthcare institutions need solutions that automate their administrative operations, increase health professionals' productivity, and allow patients to access their electronic health record data. The evolution of software development technologies has allowed new interaction mechanisms. In this sense, speech recognition uses methods and technologies that allow the capture and transcription of spoken language. Analyzing the works identified in the state of the art, it's clear that the use of speech recognition represents an alternative to improve the end-user interaction with software systems and reduce the time and effort spent in data recording through a graphical user interface. In this sense, this paper specifies a computational solution that uses speech recognition to assist healthcare professionals in recording patient clinical care. To achieve this, a software architecture was specified and the proposed solution was implemented based on the prototyping performed by end users. In order to understand the proposed solution, it's necessary to know what speech recognition is. Speech recognition is characterized by the process of converting speech signals into a word sequence and uses computational techniques and algorithms. The main techniques range from acoustic phonetic recognition, focusing on understanding the phonetic units and relationships of different speech contexts, including pattern recognition with mathematical structure and formulate-Z recognition using training algorithms, to artificial neural network that identifies phonetic characteristics using speech signal analysis and visualization. The computational solution proposed in this paper is a web application that records the patient's clinical care data using the physician's voice comments. The graphical user interface allows the physician to interact with the speech recognition assistant, and as he narrates the facts, the application inserts the information to the clinical data area. After this activity, the doctor informs the assistant that the patient care should be finalized. Using the prototyping feature on a paper sheet, doctors designed the graphical user interface and defined the order and location of each graphical user component. After this activity, the generated artifacts were validated and the software architecture specification was initiated. Here we can view the workflow to record patients' clinical care data from the web application, containing voice interactions with audiovisual feedback. The mapper service that offers a speech-to-text mapping feature and data loader that performs three tasks. First, check if the service data attributes are correctly filled, then captures the GUI data and persists the information in database. The service data consists of information collected by the GUI, designed with the help of health professionals, and contains the following areas: patient demographics data, clinical data, and voice command area. Demographic data, including basic patient information for a new appointment, such as name, birthday, gender, and occupation, and the appointment info reported by the healthcare professional, including family history, symptoms, exams, and diagnosis. Still in the GUI, we have the voice command area where the end user interaction takes place, with a chat showing the end user comments and assistant feedback. 6 physicians experienced in the use of healthcare applications were recruited to evaluate the speech recognition solution presented in this article. Our study evaluated patient care workflow and GUI usability. Participants were asked to use the application to attend 5 volunteer patients. The following tasks were performed through speech recognition: patient selection, recording patient clinical data, and care completion. The participants were gathered and interviewed to collect information on the issues investigated in this study, which are learnability, memorability, efficiency, and satisfaction. The following results were found for each physician, and the average for each usability aspect, as we can see in the graph, and indicates positive opinions. In the table, all the values obtained in the questionnaire answered by the doctors are presented. We can see here that the lowest values for the aspects analyzed were 84 for learnability, 81 for memorability, 93 for efficiency, and 79 for satisfaction, with 87% approval to learnability, nearly 85% for memorability, 95% for efficiency, and finally approximately 86% to satisfaction. The physician to suggest the use of textual messages with visual feedback to indicate that an action is being performed. This paper presents a computational solution that uses speech recognition to assist health professionals from a Brazilian institution in the registration of patients' clinical care data, with an average of 88% in usability evaluation. Our future work indicates one evaluation with a larger sample of healthcare professionals and appointments, and data storage using the blockchain technology. Thanks.